Today, I'm taking my 2006 Honda Goldwing south from the mountains of western North Carolina to visit one of the most important automobile factories in the United States. My destination is the BMW Zentrum Museum, located along Highway 101 in Greer, South Carolina. Now, I could make this ride using Interstate 26 and 85. That would certainly be faster, but it would also mean heavy traffic, endless tractor trailers, and very little scenery. But that isn't why I ride a motorcycle. Instead, I'm taking the Goldwing down through the Carolina foothills, using some of the best relaxed back roads between western North Carolina and the South Carolina upstate. Today's ride is not on any extreme or highly technical motorcycle roads. Instead, it offers the kind of flowing, comfortable riding that suits the Goldwing perfectly. The curves are generally open, the pace is relaxed, and the scenery changes gradually as I lose elevation. The mountain ridges begin to recede behind me, and the landscape transitions into the rolling foothills of the Carolinas. This section of the ride is exactly why I chose these back roads. There are long views toward the mountains, stretches of farmland, and enough sweeping curves to keep the ride interesting without becoming tiring. The Goldwing and I settle into a comfortable rhythm as we travel through the South Carolina upstate. Depending on how much time you have, Landrum makes a good optional stop for coffee, lunch, or a quick walk through town before continuing. After passing through town, I continue my way south on Route 14.
Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry.
This is the road that will take me almost directly to the BMW complex.
I come visit you at home, and if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days, with the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
As I continue south, the countryside gradually gives way to warehouses, suppliers, and transportation facilities. It becomes clear that I am approaching one of the largest automotive manufacturing operations in the world. Although the facility is located at 1400 Highway 101 South in Greer, it's officially known as the BMW Group Plant Spartanburg. BMW announced on June 23, 1992, that it would construct its first full automobile assembly facility outside of Germany here in South Carolina. The original commitment included an investment of approximately $600 million and a goal of employing 2,000 people by the year 2000. What happened next was remarkable. Only 23 months passed between the groundbreaking and the completion of the first automobile. BMW describes it as the fastest factory startup in automotive history. The scale of this facility is difficult to understand until you see it in person. The BMW plant Spartanburg now covers approximately 10 million square feet. The first vehicle produced here was the BMW 318i, which rolled off the assembly line in 1994. BMW began producing the Z3 Roadster at the plant in 1995. The Z3 Coupe and the M Coupe followed in 1998, and a production of the original BMW X5 began in 1999. Those early vehicles helped establish South Carolina as a major location within BMW's worldwide manufacturing system. The X5 would become especially important. Its success helped transform this South Carolina factory into what BMW now calls its global center of competence for X models. This plant currently assembles the X3, X5, X6, X7, and the XM, along with numerous performance, hybrid, and specialized versions. It's interesting to think that the BMW sport utility vehicles seen in Europe, Asia, and other parts of the world may have begun their journey right here in the Carolina foothills. campus includes a press shop, 3 body shops, 2 paint shops, 2 assembly halls, and multiple logistics centers. More than 11,000 people work at this site. In the body shops, more than 2,600 precision robots help assemble vehicle structures. Some of the largest robots can handle payloads weighing as much as 2,200 pounds. Today, the factory assembles more than 1,500 vehicles during a normal production day, and more than 7.3 million BMWs have been produced in South Carolina since manufacturing began in 1994. In 2025 alone, associates at the plant assembled well over 400,000 BMW X models. Nearly 200,000 vehicles were exported to markets around the world, with an export value of approximately $9 billion. BMW reported that this once again made the company the largest automotive exporter from the United States by value. Many of those vehicles leave South Carolina through the port of Charleston, while others are exported through ports in Georgia, Florida, and Maryland. Some are also transported by rail. The museum is located at the front of the manufacturing complex. It's called the Zentrum. The Zentrum is the only official BMW museum in North America. It presents the company's history from its beginnings in aviation and motorsports through the development of its modern automobiles and the vehicles manufactured here in South Carolina. This museum is self-guided, and admission is always free. Its currently published hours are Monday through Friday from 9:30 till 5:30 in the afternoon, although holiday and private event closures can occur. Inside, the displays can change. Visitors may find historic automobiles, racing vehicles, engines, manufacturing exhibits, and examples of vehicles connected to the Spartanburg plant. The museum provides a good overview, even for visitors who are not dedicated BMW enthusiasts. It shows how automobile design, motorsports, engineering, and manufacturing have developed over time. For motorcycle riders, it also creates an interesting connection between BMW's automotive operation and the company's long history of producing motorcycles. I may have arrived on a Honda Goldwing, but the appreciation for engineering, long-distance machines, and mechanical history crosses brand lines. Unfortunately, the museum doesn't currently have any motorcycles on site, although in the past they have had them on display. The museum and the factory tour are separate experiences. The Zentrum Museum remains open according to its published calendar, but BMW states that public plant tours are suspended from January 4th to the end of August 2026.
They said slow down, son, take your time. But I was born running every stop sign.
The company anticipates resuming the tour program around the middle of September. Anyone planning a trip specifically for the factory tour should verify its status before making the trip. Even without the plant tour, the museum, exterior displays, and the ride through the upstate make this an enjoyable motorcycle day trip.
Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith.
After walking through the Zentrum and learning more about the history of this enormous facility, it's time to climb back aboard the Goldwing.
Good old friends saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends.
Today's ride brought together several things I enjoy: scenic back roads, motorcycle touring, automotive history, and a destination that has had a major impact on the Carolinas.
I'm out of control tonight.
BMW plant Spartanburg began as a bold investment in the 1990s. More than 3 decades later, it has become BMW's largest manufacturing plant, an important American employer, and one of the country's most valuable automotive export operations. But as interesting as the destination was, the ride was just as important. My ride turned what could have been a routine interstate trip into a proper Goldwing ride through the foothills.
I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit. No chance to hold.
This is what America on Two Wheels is all about. Finding interesting places, learning the stories behind them, and enjoying the roads that connect everything together. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you out there in America on Two Wheels.